I'm Jen, and even though it's summertime, I love curling up on the sofa on a movie night with my family and with a blanket and being comfortable and, not too hot. So I purchased this cooling king size waffle blanket from Bedsure. I am very impressed with the quality of this blanket. This is king size and this is white. They do sell in other colors, but like I said, it's a cooling blanket. So when I use it on the couch, it makes me comfortable. It gives me just the right amount of warmth, but I do not get too hot. I love it so much. We use it, my kids and I use it so much that I just ordered another one to lay at the foot of my bed. I love the waffle knit texture. I think it's beautiful. It looks very high end. I like the white because it works with my decor. I can really use this all year round. Like I said, it's very comfortable. I love the premium fabric. It's very soft. This is the king size. And I can't wait to see what it looks like also at the foot of my bedding, because I think it's just gonna add such a touch of elegance. So if you're on the hunt for a cooling blanket that you can use on your sofa to curl up on movie nights, even in the summertime or on your bed, I highly recommend this product.